Hi and welcome to this vlog. Today Samantha and I are going to show you some Funkos. More Mandalorian. This one are from Natasha's collection, so we're gonna show her collection to you.
Because Natasha's a big Baby Grogu fan.
Yes.
It's all about Baby Grogu, not about Star Wars, just Baby Grogu. So the first thing. Last video you asked about Mando with the Baby Yoda.
Yes. So we're going to start with him in a smaller size.
Cute.
Yes. And we're going to pack this one. Oh wow, that's nice. I'm sorry. Right.
Yeah, you mean the stand? What are you
He's flying.
Where
He's
like
flying.
where he's standing on,
Yeah.
like it's like
He's
can
flying.
See it, yeah, but I can see it from the back, like he's flying, and he's like.
He's bubbly.
Ooh, that's
Did
why it's
he,
probably-
Sorry.
did he pass the bubbly test?
Yes.
Did he also pass his butt check, Natasha?
No. Can you see it, butt check?
You can see his butt.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Because of
Yeah, the jetpack. I don't know if they
Yes.
call it big jetpack at the Mandalorian,
well, yes.
but the butt is
The butt.
there's something in front
He's
of his
definitely
butt.
there.
Yeah, it's definitely
You see
there.
some butts from.
But what is also there is little Baby Grogu.
Yes.
The
He's
most
in
important
his
thing.
cuteness.
Oh,
Mr. Cuteness.
cute.
Cute I am.
Is his rope like fuzzy?
Who's?
Flocked, I mean.
No.
Oh, it looks like it.
No, it's not. It's just completely vinyl.
I love this.
So, you put him here. You can put the box behind it. I'm gonna... So, next one is the child with a cup. So how did you call this? You called it something.
Oh no, they're just with a lot of memes. When he's drinking his soup and then saying, watching the drama unfold.
Ooh, I'm gonna look it up.
But in the you've seen the series, he's like they're fighting and he's like drinking his soup,
I know, but you called it something when I was looking at it. So that's when I was
watching the drama unfold. I have like pajamas from the Primark with that phrase on it.
So I'm gonna do a bubble check. There we go. Boop. Oh, sorry. Just slapped it a bit.
It's because
So-
of his ear.
Yeah. That's all.
Oh my God! Look at his pouty face.
Yeah, you look so sad.
It's the one that looks sad. Let me
Yes,
check
but
it.
they are disrupting. They are disrupting his soup eating.
Oh.
He just wants to eat his
So I'm gonna turn it for you. What is? Oh, what?
It's a little glitch. I
Yeah,
think.
he's a little bit glitchy, so I'm gonna do it
I'm
this
gonna
way.
move his head. Only the head.
Yeah. There he goes. Are you looking at the cuteness?
Yes.
Cuteness is going. Bye bye, Myla. Cuteness to the viewers. This one again has his. Well, it works as a stand
Yes.
with the Star Wars logo. Going to put it next to Mando. You can show the next one.
Can you show the next one? And here we got the child with a fork. He's like eating a fork.
He's hungry. Babies need to eat.
Did you see that frog just hate me like, oh shit. Oh, what did I do?
We can do a butt check on the frog.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But froggy butt check.
It's like, look at the butts. You see the butts?
But it's like, is Baby Yoda spitting or eating?
I think he's doing both.
Well,
He's like, look at my
It's
awesome
like, it's
dinner.
way too big for him.
Yeah, it's like, yeah.
well, the bullet nuts are not working.
No,
So yeah,
his ears are too big.
too big with the bone.
Big ears.
I'm gonna turn it around. Look at this cuteness. You see the cuteness?
Well, I always see is a frog's butt. Bum. I wanted to say bum and then it became butt.
So yeah.
Yeah, cute.
I'm also gonna put it next to the Mando.
Yeah, Mando, yeah. Put it next to Mando.
So Marjolein, in our vacation we have to do a Mandalorian marathon.
Yes, and a lot more.
And a WandaVision.
Yes.
And a Winter
We
Soldier.
got a whole list.
And a Loki.
And a Loki, yes.
We have a whole list of marathons.
Mm-hmm. Next one is a cup again.
The small one.
Yeah, smaller one. Keychain.
Keychain. So you can wear it in your key with your keys.
You want to say on your bag?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or on your
You
bag.
can put it on your back.
Yeah. But she just wanted to say two things at one time. So it became something else. So look at the little cuteness.
Oh my god, it's too cute.
Eating, drinking soup from a cup.
He's not there. He has not so much as the pouty face as in the big one.
Yeah, it's cute. Look at that. Little cuteness.
Little cuteness.
Standing next to the big cuteness. Just putting this back. So, putting this one right there because it belongs to him.
Yes.
Next one.
Yes. Maybe I'm gonna show you the big one first. This is just a child. It's just a child.
Doing the force.
Yeah.
Doing the hand thingy.
That was actually the
Shall I open it
first.
for you?
Oh, yes.
That was actually the
Because I
first
Yeah.
Funko.
We completely covered you.
Yes, I'm covered as
Yeah,
a baby Yoda.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. No problem.
Okay.
Yes, I'm cuteness in front of me.
Oh. So it's okay when you got cuteness in front of you?
Yes.
Oh, I've got something cute.
No.
Let's do the hand thingy. Look at that. I'm going to turn it. Oh, I like the detail on his jacket. He's so bubbly. Bubbly, bubbly. So I'm going to put it next to the other one. And can you pack this in for me? So I'm going to show. Oh no, you've got it. You've got
Yes,
the little
I've got a little one.
hand force. Can you give me that first?
Yes, I'm gonna give it to you.
Woo! Look at the cuteness. It's doing the same. The hand thing.
Sorry. I'm so sorry for the noise.
Oh, I was like, what are you saying sorry for?
Because oh shit. Sorry.
So in the Mandalorian, Baby Yoda is using the Force to save somebody. And then when they're in this big battle, one of the characters is like, do the hand thingy. And only Baby Yoda is doing this.
Only that?
Yeah, because the hand thingy can mean so many things. He's like, what do you want me to wave? What do you want from me? Yeah, Baby Yoda got his own mind on doing things. We got this one. What do you have?
Nothing?
Nothing. Oh, sorry.
This was the last one I
Okay,
got.
so
Yeah.
this one is Baby Yoda in his little cradle. Let me see if the camera can see it. Look at that. Baby Yoda in his little cradle. So cute. Yeah. He's gonna put it next to this little one.
Want to change it in an ornament?
Yeah. Well, you can already use it as an ornament. Just hang this in your Christmas tree. Which is very cute. Oh, look at that. Now you can wear it as a bracelet. It's a bit big, but you can. Well, all these keychains have that from Funko. It's the first time I've seen that. These do, but that's the same lineup.
I never saw it before.
No! Maybe it's something new.
Maybe it's new.
Yeah.
You can make them into earrings.
Look at that. Pretty. But I'm too
now,
different.
Now I want to bought two
Wait,
of them
wait,
now
wait.
to wear them like this.
Like, wait.
Like in
Look
the
at my
lips.
pretty
Yes.
earrings. Look at it.
Thank
Oh
you.
no, I want to do something.
Want to what?
I don't think it's going
No,
to fit.
don't do it.
No, it's not going to fit. So this one was standing here before we wanted them to be as earrings. There you go. And oh, that one wants to lie down. There you go.
He's a bit sleepy.
He's a bit sleepy. Well, that's what he does all the whole season. Just sleeping, and some more sleeping. So last but not
And
least.
protecting.
Yeah.
He eats, snacks, and attacks.
And repeats.
That's on my spirit jersey.
Ooh.
We can show that in another time. I have a lot more Baby Yoda to show.
So, last but not least is the child in a bag. What am I doing? Oh wait, these are on the side. There you go. Sorry, I thought it was a button. I was like, oh my gosh. But it isn't. It's not a button.
You wanted to push it?
I wanted to push the button, but it's not a button. I was like, maybe there are new features I don't know about, but nope. So here we got his little bag.
My gosh, this is the cutest.
This is the cutest?
I think it's the cutest.
So,
Well, I must say that it is on the back or...
yeah, not many people show the back side of their Funkos in the display, but you can with this one because it's very cute. Look at that. Cute. Cutest of them all. Cutest of them all. So Marjolein, when you see this lineup,
Yes.
although we already said who was the cutest, which one do you like the most?
Well, I said in the last video I liked the Mando.
The Mando.
But I wanted it instead smaller, like... I don't want the 10-inch because... We're gonna put it in one.
Now you want
So
that
yes,
one.
so I want that one. And you got also a little baby Yoda. So yeah.
Oh, so you want two characters for the price of one?
Yes.
Ah, clever.
That's
you.
smart.
Yeah, clever, clever girl. Pun not intended.
And which one do you like the most?
Which one I like the most? Oh my gosh, that's so difficult. I want to say the one with the frog because I already have a baby Yoda with a necklace. I don't know if it's doing the force thing, but it has a necklace.
You can show that one too.
Okay. We will be back soon. Welcome back. This is the only baby Yoda I own. As a Funko, I mean. This one is very cute. It was not doing the force, as I said.
It's like a fall convention exclusive.
Oh, you want to see the sticker?
Yes.
It's also a Primark exclusive.
And a fall convention.
I never run for any Funko, but for this one I ran in the store.
So you ran?
Yeah, because everybody wanted it. I was like, Funko, 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 Baby Yoda. Nobody saw the place where this display was because it was just surrounded by other Baby Yoda stuff. Not other Funkos, just Baby Yoda stuff. Oh, he's so cute. Also a bubble
So
head.
it was like hiding.
Yeah, basically. Because I
He was
brought
on the
all stuff.
cover.
Yeah, so I ran like hell and I got these. So, there you go. He's so cute. His cute little necklace. Cute, cute, cute. Too cute, sorry. For his own good. Everybody wants him. Literally.
Everybody loves him.
Yeah, everybody loves him. So, now you've seen this one. Do you still think that one's the cutest? Or do you still think that one is the nicest? Or are you now like...
This was also nice because he's holding the pen.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where I use it for because I don't have seen Mandalorian yet.
Mm-hmm.
But
I'm not
I
gonna say so.
yeah.
Because I want you to enjoy the
Maybe I want to
season.
both.
Maybe both.
The
Sorry.
problem is this one is from Primark, so I don't know if they still got him. So yeah. So then I'm still gonna choose this one because
I have a second one if you want.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. We got a spare one.
you can spell it.
Yeah. Yeah. New lineup because we added a cute Funko.
So yeah, this was our second video about Mandalorian, or I'll say Baby Yoda because most of our Baby Yodas. So yeah, if you like this video, give a thumb up, comment, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. And then I'll see you next time.
Yeah, see you next time.
Yes.
Bye bye.